This video is a very quick overview of some of the newest features in IRSA Viewer in August 2023. When you load a catalog from IRSA into IRSA Viewer, there are a lot of headers. If you let your mouse hover, it will tell you what those are, but sometimes it's hard to remember. Now, if you go to the Details tab, it gives you something called a property sheet. This shows you in more detail what all of the fields are. So it's another way of viewing what the row in this catalog is, but shown more expanded in this Details tab. Another new feature in IRSA Viewer is if you go to the Catalogs tab and then the VO tap search, it comes up by default as a spatial search, but sometimes it's really useful to do an object ID search instead. You can, for example, upload a list of Gaia IDs, and then you need to tell it that you are uploading a list of Gaia IDs. And then you need to tell it you don't want to match to solution ID or designation. You actually want to match it explicitly to source ID. That's because my uploaded table here is a long integer, and this is also a long integer. Then you can tell it search, and it will go away and match my list of Gaia IDs to the list of source IDs in the catalog and give me the match. Those are the two newest features in IRSA Viewer.